How to change language in Last War survival game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Last War survival game and want to change the game's language, first of all open up the Last War survival game on your device. From the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner, and from the next page where it says My Profile, click on Settings at the bottom. Under Settings, tap Language. Under Language, choose between the language options and select your preferred language and tap Confirm. Now, click on Confirm and the game will restart in the chosen language. And that's how you can change your language in Last War. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.